This video explains the Google Workspace admin API consent and data usage necessary for Noodle to activate SM Business mobile plans directly within your Google Workspace. Find and install the Noodle app from the Google Workspace Marketplace. We will cover installing Noodle, creating an account with Noodle using Continue with Google, adding and deleting mobile plans, sending mobile plan installation to your company Gmail account, updating your new mobile number in the company directory, and adding a payment method. You will need to be a Google Workspace administrator of your company Workspace to install and use Noodle. Search for and install Noodle from the Google Workspace Marketplace. To make Noodle as simple as possible, it requires access to Google account data. Noodle requires and uses the following services and data. Creating an account with Noodle requires and uses the View customer-related information from the Google Admin API consent. To create an Noodle account, access to customer information via the Google Workspace Admin API is required. Noodle uses the company name, contact name, country code, and the company identifier to create the Noodle account. Adding and deleting mobile phone plans requires and uses the view and manage the provisioning of users on your domain consent from the Google Admin API. To gain a list of employees whose mobile plans can be created, Noodle requires access to users' employees' consent via the Google Workspace Admin API. A list of employee names, unique identifiers, and employment statuses is displayed using the API. Noodle only stores an employee identifier if a mobile plan is created. In one click you can create an SM mobile plan, which will be emailed to the employee for installation. The SM mobile phone plan has unlimited voice, text, and data, and includes roaming in 75 countries. There are no contracts, and plans can be switched off at any time. Sending the QR code with the installation link requires and uses the send email on your behalf consent from the Gmail API. When a mobile plan is created, the installation and activation details are sent to the employee's company email from the Google Workspace administrator. As this is important information and is paid for by the company Gmail account is used to maximize deliverability. This requires access to the Google Workspace Gmail account. Adding and deleting mobile phone numbers in the company directory requires view and manage the provisioning of users on your domain consent from the Google Admin API. To gain a list of employees whose mobile plans can be created, Noodle requires access to users' employees' consent via the Google Workspace Admin API. When a mobile plan is created, a mobile number is assigned. This mobile number is updated in the employee's user's profile and added to the company directory. This is enabled by Update the User via the Google Admin API user in the company directory. Add a credit card or direct debit. You will be charged via direct debit or via credit card on the first day of the calendar month for all your active mobile plans. Plans that are enabled during the month will be charged the prorated amount when the plan is added. You can cancel plans at any time. Noodle simplifies the management of mobile phone plans for your company with convenient and fast administration inside the Google Workspace ecosystem. You can get Noodle from the Google Workspace Marketplace.